Folks, this video is about how to make rice and peas. Okay, this is the type of rice, but there's some things this guy does. He makes some ingredients first. He puts some oil in there. There's some oil. You put in there. You put some those things. He's cutting them to pieces. And this is this kind. I forgot the name of this, guys. In Haiti, they call it épice. You got oil. You got this green stuff. This green, this thing here. I don't know how you say this thing in French. I know how to say it in French. Now he's doing some sweet pepper. He's gonna make some pepper, those kind of pepper in there, and he's gonna make, what's the name of this? Garlic. There we go. He's gonna put some garlic in there. Those are garlics. Okay. Those are some onion leaves, something like that. He's gonna put some onion in there too. Then you're gonna blend them everything together to make the spice. Okay, that's the spice. Then you're gonna make the rice and peas. This is the blend he's doing, guys. That's the blend. Okay, and he's blending it. I did add some water to it also. He did add some water to it. Now he's blending it, and this is gonna become nice and smooth. All right, guys, this is the finished. This is the next step. You put some oil. You put some oil, some tomatoes. Okay, he cleaned up the tomato extremely clean. So he peeled the skin off the tomato. Now he's frying everything. All right, guys, this is being fried. Some oil. Now this is the ingredient that we had earlier. You're taking some of it. But the blender went off on him, so not much you can do, guys. The blender went dead, so you gotta blend this in some other times in your blender. The blender was smoking, so that's what he's gonna put in there. The guys, now he's putting the peas in there. Let me show you the name of the peas. That's the name. No relation, guys. The green pigeon peas. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the peas. This is gonna be a short video though, so. That's pepper. So a little hot pepper you put in there. Now he adds some butter. Now this thing's looking good, guys. This thing's looking good. Let me turn the light on. This thing looking good. It starts smelling a little bit better, guys. The smell is kitchen. Okay. Deixa o mundo aí. Vai lá que de l'eau avec ça là, allez. Guys, you're gonna use some water, some coconut water. This is coconut milk. That's not coconut water. That's coconut milk. That's gonna be using that. Okay, guys. And now is put this thing, put some covers in it, guys. Is let it cook for at least 3 minutes, at least somewhere like that, 2 minutes. Okay, folks, this thing, I think the rice probably, the peas probably cook already. I don't know. Let it be there. He's putting the milk there, guys. Coconut milk. Okay, now this thing tastes really good. Okay, guys, he add some more water to it. Now we got enough water. More water. So now we're gonna let it boil and put the rice in there. He's washing the rice. He's just cleaning up the rice. He's just washing it. He's washing it. Okay, folks. Now this is ready to go. It's boiling, so we're gonna dump the rice inside of it. It's about it. Pouring the rice in there. Now that's some yellow rice. It's some expensive rice, man. This rice is so expensive. See, we have white rice here, but he doesn't want to use it. So let's use rice. He says, hey, this is a healthy rice. That's what he's using right now, guys. You're gonna stir it a little bit. Okay, guys, this is the rice. It's smelling good, so now he's gonna lower the fire on the lid of this thing. With the jiria, the jiria quit. You want to fill up? This is almost done, but he's gonna lower the fire. He's gonna lower it a little bit, guys. Then we're gonna cover it. Follow it down. He's putting aluminum foil on top of it to make it steam. I don't know how you say that thing. Well, that's why he's putting aluminum foil on there, guys. And he put the cover on top of it. Now this thing gonna be like really good. Okay, guys, within come a minute, partner. It's about 5 minutes. This thing will be cooked.
Not 15 minutes.
No, he says 15 minutes. Well, I'll let you guys know how long it takes. So we're gonna check it. Every family is gonna check it and see if the rice is cooked. Okay. Guys, about 15 minutes. It's about more than 15 minutes. So he told me I just turn the thing all the way off. Now I'm gonna just uncover to see if this thing is good. Guys, I remove the cover. Let me turn the light on. I remove the cover. This is the rice. Let me turn on the light. That's the rice, guys. I'll take a picture. We call it rice and peas. Okay. Now let me see if this thing is cooked, guys. Guys, I think it's cooked. I'm about to fill my plate. Let me pause this. Guys, the rice tastes so good. There it is. He's taking his plate, okay? I take my little plate already. I need more tomatoes on this thing. Next time we put more tomatoes around. Different in the hell. Okay, guys, that's my little plate. Okay, we start it again. This is not bad. This is, guys, I'm telling you, it is okay. This is not gonna last too long. Guys, that's the end of this rice and peas. Then we're gonna make some chicken. So I don't know if I can tape the chicken. I'm gonna show you this. Yeah, I'm gonna tape the chicken, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and help the channel tremendously, guys. Let's grow the channel together.